Organization isn't just about keeping your stuff in place. It's a lifestyle, a culture, and the core of efficiency. It's possible to organize your closet, your schedule, even your thoughts. But organizing your life will not only make you feel confident and in control, but also help you achieve your goals in life. In this video, we'll look at one method to do just that. This is How to Organize Your Life, Part 2, Balance. Somebody asked, we discuss some of the most asked questions on the internet and beyond. In order to organize your life, we'll use a method with 6 stages. 1. Establish what's important. 2. Eliminate what's not. 3. Get in the right mindset. 4. Balance the different aspects of your life. 5. Organize your schedule. 6. Follow through. Because there was so much content, we divided the method in a series of 3 videos. In this video, we'll see Part 2, Balance. We'll cover the 4th stage on this method and try and find balance between the different aspects of our lives, from health and relationships to work and finances. Even though this content can be beneficial on its own, the links to Parts 1 and 3 are in the description section below. We'll start with a plan and then execute it. You'll need 3 things: a notebook, some pens, and a daily or weekly planner. It may give you an extra boost of confidence if you buy them new. That may trick your brain into realizing you're serious about it. Let's begin. An important part of an organized life is balancing the different aspects of our lives. If we focus too much on certain things, others will suffer, and eventually things will crumble in a domino effect. For instance, if you only focus on work, your relationships might suffer. If you focus too much on your partner, your own needs might suffer. Managing your life is like managing a budget. If you put all time, resources, and energy into one aspect, others will suffer. And some aspects can't be overlooked, like your health and finances. For that reason, the next stage is about reflecting on the different aspects of your life and making yet another list. To do so, we're going to split these aspects in 4 categories: intrapersonal, interpersonal, extrapersonal, suprapersonal. Let's begin with intrapersonal aspects. This category is all about your relationship with yourself. Too many people focus on things on the outside to try and fix things on the inside, but it's the other way around. If you don't take good care of yourself, it'll be impossible to succeed in the other layers. We'll divide this category into 2 key aspects: physical health and mental health. Physical health. Taking care of your body and health is at the base of an organized life because it affects every other aspect of your life. From a minor cold to a serious illness, health issues can impact your performance and even self-image, absorbing energy, time, and resources from other areas of your life. So here, it's better to prevent with good habits, diet, and exercise than to treat after the fact. Take your notebook and write goals and activities that pertain to caring for your health and body, like exercising, eating well, and having regular medical checkups. Mental health. Taking good care of your mental health is potentially more important than your physical health, as your mind motivates you to do just about everything, including caring for your health. This category is about self-love, self-respect, and self-esteem, which can be extremely difficult. In your notebook, make a list of goals and activities that care for this aspect of your life, such as therapy, meditation, and journaling. These are the pillars of your relationship with your own self. Now, let's look at the things that are directly around you. Interpersonal aspects. This category is about your relationship with the things and people directly around you. We'll divide this category into 3 key aspects: personal relationships, home, and technology. Personal relationships. From family, pets, and partners to friends and online communities, this category is about individuals in your inner circle. Here, quality is more important than quantity. There are many types of relationships, and a person doesn't have to have all of them, but interaction can be very beneficial when healthy. If you're the kind of person who enjoys being alone, make a point to occasionally spend time with people or animals you care about. Make a list of people you do care about and write ways you can cultivate your relationship with them, even if your interactions are infrequent. On the other hand, if you have relationships that are covert toxic, make a list of people you might want to spend less time with or entirely cut from your life. Home. The way you organize and treat your own space is a sample of how you treat yourself. An organized physical space will also help you become more productive and efficient, and it'll free your brain to think of things that matter. Decluttering your home will open space for your new organized life. Make a list on your notebook again. Here you could include decluttering your home, fixing things that are broken, weekly cleaning, or organizing things in bins. Technology. This category may seem odd, but nowadays we're so connected to our technology that we can't forget it's part of our inner circle and constantly influencing our lives. So, organizing your life also means organizing and maintaining your gadgets, from your phone and computer to emails and external hard drives. Make a list of ways you can use technology to help you organize your life, like automating bill payments and buying a virtual assistant gadget, and ways you can keep your technology running smoothly, like deleting unused apps on your phone, organizing emails in folders, and cleaning external hard drives. These are the elements directly around you. Since we live in societies, the aspects of our lives don't stop at our inner circle, so the next category is extra-personal aspects. This category is about our relationships with people and things beyond our closest circle. They often involve institutions and organizations. We'll divide this category into 3 key aspects: work and career, finances, and education. Work and career. No matter what you do, it's important to have a healthy relationship to your work. You could view work just as a means to make a living, or as a main motivator, and both are perfectly fine. We're not all obligated to put work first and desire to move up the ladder and make huge amounts of money. Work can be just a means of making enough to have a comfortable life, and it can also be a key aspect of your life that defines you. That's okay too. But still, whatever your job is, having a healthy relationship with it is very important. On your notebook, write goals that apply to you. If you don't like your job, work environment, or people you work with, write a list of things you could do to fix that, even finding another job. If you already like your job, but wish you could perform better, write things you could learn to improve, from abilities, softwares and techniques, to communicating better and leadership. If you want more, like moving up the ladder and making large sums of money, make a list of things you could do to attain that, whether it's a promotion, a better job or workplace, or to start your own business. Finances. It doesn't matter how much money you make or if you care about money or not. Financial health is important at any level. If you can't pay your bills and meet your basic needs, it's difficult to have an organized life. It's not about making a lot of money, but about spending according to your income. Don't spend more than you can afford, especially with things you want on the spur of the moment but might not need. Minimalism is not just a trend, but a smart way to live. Make a list of things you can do to be financially healthy, like educating yourself about financial health, keeping track of your expenses, stopping frivolous spending, and learning how to invest. Education. Even though most adults think education ends when you get a degree, it should never stop. Today there are so many free resources online that it's possible to learn pretty much anything. We can always continue to learn and self-improve. If you feel like it, make a list of things you'd like to learn. From a new language to a new software and new skills like communication and emotional health to earning a degree online. These 3 categories cover all your basic needs. However, as the world gets more connected and globalized, we often look farther and farther for answers. Supra-personal aspects. This category is optional, as things here aren't essential for a balanced life. It's about your goals that affect humanity and the world as a whole, like finding the cure for cancer or stopping global warming or creating the next big app. If you naturally have goals that affect the world, write them on your list as well. In this list, and in fact all your lists, write only your own, genuine, personal goals, trying your best to ignore ideas borrowed from other people and mass media. This is about organising your own life, not anybody else's. So please don't be a cliché and write "change the world" on your list. Be specific. What exactly in the world would you like to change? And how would you like to change it? Be clear and genuine on your goals. Leave that kind of vague talk for bad movies. And that's it for part 2. We hope it'll help you find balance in your life and remind you to neither neglect nor obsess over any one aspect alone. If you haven't checked it already, the link to part 1 of the method, Prioritize, is in the description. If you'd like to check part 3, the link is on your screen. In it, we'll take the lists we created in parts 1 and 2 and put them in motion, adding actionable to-dos to our schedules. As always, thank you very much for watching. If you liked this video, you might also like one of the suggestions we've picked for you. Also, subscribe for more. We upload a new video every week discussing some of the most asked questions on and offline. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave it in the comments. It might become our next video. See you next time.